Medafo, mame ma wakwaba emfa wombra GCN page so. Munuaba adwa search me and I'm the Jumedi way ebro. Na message also be subscribe to my channel. Now don't sa emia be on so. Ube ya notification and send me koso wo memu bia obenye biati and ase obenye bia hwe e wo GCN page ha. Felix appear our your Facebook blogger. Ona okase no no e na host program awatu in political zone. Or say, and my papa, His Excellency Nando Danko Kufado Eyeno, or Beba Hudewu, Eddie Achel, my Ghana, send a beya, a month will be into in foot to infant Ghana for when he say His Excellency, and Nando Danko Kufado, and your shame, and Fema Ghana for. Now, fellas Nika Semu, and our Oche say, Sami Jemfi, our communications officer, Dema, NDC, Amayokuno, Eye Nipebia, or Hadrin ye papa, Same Hadrin. Same Kotena TV so and sama kese nko na oka de ewom na de enimi nko na same Jemfi oka na Felix Eche say imbribim ye beka ya abro mu yi same Jemfi so obeye communications director Fema NDC Amayokon foforo no same Jemfi intro din kan ba out ebedi ni say His Excellency Nando Danko Akufo-Addo etu kwan a wan kra eno na minority leader our parliament house Honorable Haruna Iddrisu etro krata babot is that be same Jemfi asema wo kanu nim hwehwe ye ne wo parliament house ha His Excellency Nando Danko Akufo-Addo etu kwan no okrai eye minority leader o issue statement about ma same Jemfi nanim egu ase na eno na Felix Eche same Jemfi ya brand bi anka wo ye youth NDC former opposition kese ente say anka de be shega na youth ni nkran say ne be ya politics kra be ye na same Jemfi the politics o ye de enye kra eye tan ye papa enti same Jemfi e wo Arab countries ni bia anka by this time no ankasa no oni bebi oni na me kra because Arab countries no onti me kwotena TV so radio so enka ensema enim FMF president ho na mfa hu ndi free enti same Jemfi chese Ghana hanum na wanya nie e na oka na dwen e de chiro pani bia intro no kwario na oka na mum say Arab countries ni bia kasa me Jemfi nya de a oda so etiase kra da say e da Felix e de etuja
iti chia oka ni jese oye asantini anase oye chini
yeah
oka
the Ghana tribes Ghana pen yo asante achem and achem okay
dia ba ko pe sa de me bia me kam se dia kra na otufo ne ochinya ayo mo ntai nye program for account state because dia ba ko pe bi se bia enyi fo nim omo ka o bi se asante fo ni achem fo ni ye ba ko asante achem ene ho ba emwa omo politics no
exactly
na NDC for strategy omo person wo te fa nyina ye Adolf Hitler strategy.
Okay.
Or the breaking Jewish cycle.
Yeah.
Enti enwa na omonam so. Hey, near Sami Jemfi etro ye nyina the winning history na and that strategy. Jerry be Yusubi yen create as akamfo ne anwarafo so that divide and rule make you rule one. Na yen akamfo ye ni na ho. God you almost say yes to emu ahe no mutu wo northern region or Volta region. Ya action any asante. Je na ye say ye dwapade nyina. Na Sami Jemfi wo o ye the top boni wo boy na wo o ye evil. Somebody is evil. Sami Jemfi. Plot agye when the timu a obegi na gino. It tells the boy how wicked and evil he is. Say Sami Jemfi o kopie Arab fo krobium Russia fo mu a nkobie yi na fi ho de da
quick
na ono na mo no him because of John Mahama when you school o we sika ni nuanom the pushia is the rich because from Atamils and they see John Mahama so one count to abu bia no ye bia free one in that chia na for one count to bia
yeah
it only accountability bia bo bia it is can you maybe me allegation me TV gold wo mo say so mo to galam say you two now we say so American so a fact
okay
you two gold no na Ghana for penny for baba jama no mo age Ibrahim no omodi eko Iran apakoton I can testify to tell you Ibrahim Ebelisi jet from Salt Lake City. If you like, cross to check on CNN. And again, I know how many jets in the year. And no normally tone say near money in this guy. If you like, cross from Salt Lake City or check from CNN. CNN Buana me Bua. And no normally yet. Now America, young co Iran. And so American plane co Iran, their my information they buy and on America, me and I follow. Some of them, they are richer. Sometimes, almost taking advantage of Ghana. 18 and then, we know how fix the country. I could find by the country is broke. But those who broke the country will come and tell you, fix the country. So when we started, you know, or no man kokone, soon with the
about the one and no.
About the Jina catch or say, he's soon any binum. Meanwhile, no, one a year. And yet, NDC, Nankasa Canada, the focus was the NDC people born bad. You would now the NDC, you automatically, what be the Pabon? You have evil plot. Now, some of the city, what power, you need a soul. Your name, no. Obekwa, my baby, weapon. Not on your shoe. I want to be who that's it. That's it.
Patroness scholar, so we meet me afraid. While I hear 10 next caller no man afraid no. Abrantie bi am message me and answer enemy akasa. Was he a friend in Nyansabe TV? Or send the papa has refused to be to the school fees. Or so SS2. But ne papa refuses to be to the school fees so best opportunity into Yamwa. Men have decided not to call for these things because some time ago Mokaya Ubi Mami be yes you know what now you could be a train on a scam and or best scam. But it's about importance of traditional rulers in our democracy. Muntiena. And otum for a cultural brofone say, oh, say bano chieftaincy. Sometimes I have for no ya bois to restore order and peace. Nempono, a typical example is the just ended 2016 election, of which one of the candidates didn't want to agree. Candidates the back you're not gonna say on penny, but me as Otumfuono, I was able other chiefs to convince him to accept defeat. This is all Otumfuo said. Just so that Mahama will look good. Just so that nobody will think any way of Mahama. Mr. Julius Debra and Omane Buama came out, made a publication on behalf of the ex-president John Dramani Mahama, and told Otumfuo to the face, say, Otumfuo was a liar, or say Nana ye trofo. Nana or ye trofo. Oka sana who said there be o asantemai bu afu. Adia na oma kano anya asantemai de. Adia na atendidi omo edidi omutumfo because penny twatro. Entu ka tro otumfo se we ko gina bedwam ko twatra eyeye. Asantefo ani peja ya yesi ye sore pe na sami jamfikro ya o. Sami jamfikro ya. Okoye na okofa asa publication we say. Minuanom communicators amwo NDC. Semoko baabia sansem we na monkoka ade a me be kan ebio se wo call me page no so a baabia me pictures wo eye political zone ya eda ho eye 3 pages last no na me ye and ye twa so de ye Captain Smart ho adwuma and me pese me te sa me gemfi we free ho because we start bio enti ya kire we ni na awie na se still a wo se wo de party ne propaganda enti obekwa akotie de asame jamfi kan eno no ye wo de me ma famu de ma ye awie onyame nim so se me de nokre no e na ye adwuma. All right, me pa cho mo amukọ me yi ni mu no se mu behu a mu betumi so post to atoa se mu betumi e pa junior. I don't know if you know how to do it, if there's a way out. I say please do the pony for me. You look so handsome. Oh, that's it. Kakra. Adia mebe kain again. It is there. Sabe enyantro bi na yedin ha. maka kyerɛ mo dada yɛde no korɛ no ɛna ɛbɛyɛ adwuma mepa choma konya bi ana mo hwɛ akora same jamfi what he gave his NDC